Hello, my name is David, and in this video I'm going to show you how my Google Merchant account got suspended because of policy violation due to product ingredients that has to do with pharmaceutical. I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it and get my account reinstated. Hey guys, David here with Organic Skincare. Just want to quickly show you to let you guys know that you could see that my Google Merchant account is suspended. And let's try to get it fixed. And I think the issue is with these products right here. So I'm just gonna want to document this video. Today is the 30th, and let's see how long it's gonna take me to fix this. Hey guys, just want to quickly do another video just to show you that I was able to fix or remove any product violation with the drugs or any kind of descriptions that have to do with anything that has to be pharmaceutical. So the only thing that you see is the GTN, that just product barcodes. I'll show you how to fix that. Hopefully I'll be able to get my merchant account reinstated. So let's do that and cross our fingers that my account will be reinstated by tomorrow. So let's click review the request. Yes, request. And I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow with the reinstated account. Keep the fingers crossed. Good morning, people. It's a great morning. The coffee tastes fantastic. My wife finds me attractive. The birds are singing. The sun is out. Take a look. Okay, so you could see that my account is obviously fully reactivated and up and running. And let's get to show you how I was able to fix it. I also want to mention that the Google Merchant has a new look. This is what it looks like now. It's been updated probably for a few weeks. And Woocommerce or Google Merchant, they want you to install this plugin. That's what they recommend. I do not recommend using this plugin right here. This is how it got me in trouble and got my account suspended. It was actually, I don't even know, it was picking up some weird products that I deleted many months ago. So I do not recommend you using this plugin right here. Okay, so very quickly, so we're gonna download and install this Google Feed plugin into your WordPress account, into WooCommerce, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna go to WooCommerce, Settings. Okay, you're gonna have another tab called Google Feed. What you're gonna do is you're gonna copy this very first top URL. Okay, copy. We're gonna head over to Google Merchant. We're gonna go to Products. And now you got to drop down here and we're going to choose another method. We're going to click on it. We're going to select the third method from here, add from a product file. You're going to select it. Then you're going to click continue, which is going to be in blue here. And you're going to paste the file and click save or done. I don't remember. So that will give you full of control of your product page that you're going to be doing in your Google Feed, which is if you want to hide it, do some work on it. Okay, so you're going to be able to control whatever goes on Google Merchant. Of course, if you're going to hide it, you're going to check mark it and you're going to click update. So that would be the process of going about. That's how I was able to get my account reinstated, hide, remove, edit any products that you see on Google Merchant. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to fix any other issues, especially with GTIN. As you can see, everything's approved. I'm going to click on, you have to click on products that need attention, and then you could simply click on view products that need work on. I'm going to copy this. Now this is somebody else's product. So I'm not the only one that's selling it, so there's other people selling it. It's another brand. You can find it on Amazon. You can find that product anywhere. So I'm going to show you a quick way. I'm going to put a link in the description below where to find this URL. So we're going to click on that, and this is where you could find your barcode GTIN product, and you're going to paste it at the bottom, and that's with Google Feed being installed, the plugin, and you could be able to see right in here the GTIN code, and that will fix the issue. Also, if it's checked, you will not see, you won't be able to see any Google Feed information. I think you could also paste it in here, so if you want, but again, the most important is at the bottom of the Google Feed right here, this changing this number, and of course don't forget to click update. Okay, so if this product that is not listed and it's yours, you will have to register with gs1.us, and you're gonna have to create your own barcode information from here, whether you want to list it on Amazon or on your own site or have it listed again in Google Merchant. You will need to purchase these are the pricing right in here, one of the packages. As you could see, I have created a login for the products that is not listed on Amazon or Walmart. You will need to have one of those barcodes. By the way, you could find the barcodes if you have the product. You can just simply scan the barcode. They will have it at the back of the product or somewhere around the product. They have the barcodes. But again, if you're starting a private label, you will need to create an account with GS1 if you want to list it with Amazon, and I think this is where you get this right in here, and then you click on products. And this is where you would add a new product, and you just follow the instructions by listing or creating a brand new product that is not listed on Amazon, the stores, anywhere else. So that's the fix of any issues that have to do with your barcodes, GTIN, and I'm sure if I click on update, probably in a few hours that product will disappear from attention that is being needed right in here. That's the product. And one last thing very quickly, if you are a pharmacy and you want to sell any kind of drugs or pills or any kind of prescription creams, drugs, this is the site that you would need to register and get a certificate for your website. Again, this is the website, so I just wanted to quickly show you that. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys still have your account suspended or you're not able to fix it, just send me a message and I'll try to help you guys.